Process of setting up a rice mill. Rice is a staple food in many parts of the world, and it's no secret that it has to go through a lot of processes before it reaches our plates. One of these processes is milling, and in this video, we'll show you how to set up a rice mill in just 4 simple steps. Hi, I'm here to set up a rice mill, and I'm not sure where to start. No problem, setting up a rice mill is easy. There are 4 simple steps you need to follow. Step 1. Choose a location that's close to the source of the paddy. This will save you transportation costs. Step 2. Acquire the necessary permits and licenses from the local authorities. This is important, and you'll need to ensure that you're complying with all the regulations. Step 3. Install the necessary machinery such as the rice huller and rice polisher. This will be used to process the paddy. Step 4. Hire skilled workers who are experienced in rice milling. This is important, as the quality of your rice will depend on the skills of your workers. That sounds simple enough. And to make it even simpler, you can choose Secondbuy for all your machinery needs. They offer high-quality rice milling machines and have a reputation for providing excellent service. Visit www.secondbuy.in. And there you have it, setting up a rice mill in 4 simple steps. And for all your machinery needs, choose Secondbuy. Contact us, +91 273 111 55583.